dishes out.
Let's let Tommy watch. Oh, Jesus. Tommy.
Tommy will just be like, you're fucking stupid. He won't help us.
Ouch!
The floor is like hot from that.
Ow! Oh, shit. Nothing happened. Don't worry about it. Don't worry yourself about this. Don't Jessica, please. Don't worry about it.
What did you put in there? Dishwasher detergent? Laundry detergent?
No,
You had to.
soap.
What kind
Like
of soap?
dish soap, like for dishes.
Oh, like dish
But
soap.
not dishwasher detergent.
No. Wait, where? Yeah.
No.
So where is
Dishwasher detergent.
It's under the. It's in here. It's in the sink. I mean, it's under the
Don't
sink.
laugh, help!
What do you want me to do?
I don't know, fix it!
That. No, we use that other stuff. I don't know. Oh. It's not my fault.
Oh, that's gonna be a long night.
We'll just pretend like it never happened.
You're probably better off shutting it.
No, because it kept leaking out.
Shut it and put it on a rinse cycle.
A rinse?
Oh my god.
Ah!
Shut it off then.
It is off!
Oh, shit! Larry, let's see if you have the. There, you need a bath anyway. It smells a little bit. I don't want to say anything till now. Seems like a perfect time. Tara, go get more towels. Oh! Coming out of the sides. It's coming out of the sides. Ah!
We should like slip on it while we can, like run and slide.
That's what they use when they did Kelsey's house.
What the hell did you do?
Nothing. We didn't. Just don't tell Jess. Don't tell Jess. Don't tell Jess.
Or her mom.
Yes.
It never happened. The towels just smell extra
Hey,
clean.
well, we just got another load of water.
And Lena peed herself.
I just peed myself. I had to go
Go
to
get
the
back outside.
Oh,
Drink your beer. Okay.
What do you want me
Such
to
a
do?
gentleman. Nothing. Lick it up. Yeah.